GloBugz!
Hello, GloBugz! It's Black History Month, and I want to introduce you to a lady who needs no introduction. Miss Harriet Tubman. It's an honor to meet you, Harriet Tubman.
Hello, GloZell.
I've read and I know so much about you, but there's so much more to learn. Tell us, Miss Tubman, what are you most known for?
Well, I was born into slavery in 1822 in the state of Maryland. At 27, I had had enough and escaped, ran away to Philadelphia, but came back to rescue members of my family. One by one, I helped them get out, and along the way, I helped dozens of others escape. And it turned into this whole thing, the Underground Railroad.
The Underground Railroad? Was it actually a railroad?
No, honey. It was not an actual railroad. It was a secret network of safe houses and trails that extended all the way from the Caribbean and the South to the northern U.S. and Canada. I took 13 trips up and down the Underground Railroad. It's estimated that around 100,000 runaway slaves were saved because of the railroad. So now, they refer to me as the Moses of her people.
Wow. But Moses was a man, right?
Oh yes, Moses was a man's name. That's how I escaped so many times.
Huh?
People were looking for a man. It took them a long time, child, before they realized I was a woman.
Wow! You go, Harriet.
Yes, child.
Well, what made you get up and say no more? No more at the age of 27. It's so young.
Yes, courage and freedom. The things I stood for more than anything else. I must have been born with it, and I think we all are.
You think that the kids are born with that?
Absolutely.
Wow. And apart from fighting slavery, what else can you tell us about yourself?
I was also very involved in the women's suffrage movement. Women and children certainly had it the hardest when I was alive. And though we have made many strides since then, that is a fight we should never stop fighting.
Right.
I was always very close to God. I went on record saying He visited me often. Premonitions of God came to me my whole life, and my faith in Him,
yes,
helped me make it possible to never lose a single passenger on the railroad.
Wow, I did not know that. That is amazing. Woo! If you could emphasize one word or message to the children, what would it be?
One word? I would have to say inspire. Even if you do not have the power to impact the world on a large scale, gather those around you and encourage them. When we stick together, we can move mountains.
Oh my goodness, I want to move mountains. GloBugz, I want you to move mountains, so let's always encourage those around us. We can start there, because it only takes a spark. Right?
Yes, that's true, GloZell.
Wow, that was beautiful, that was powerful. I'm inspired, and I hope you are too, GloBugz. Thank you.
You're more than welcome, GloZell.
Harriet Tubman, I know you don't know about these, but I totally want to take a selfie with you. It's so amazing. Okay, so big smiles. Ha!
Honey, we didn't smile in the 1800s. But I like what you're doing. That's nice.
Cheese.
It was nice coming to see you, GloZell. Now I gotta go.